guys, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. So I am here at the ferry terminal and I got a snack and it's a chai frappuccino from McDonald's and I'm going to tell you guys how it is. So let's take a sip.
So this is like a new thing, right? Like chai frappuccino? $2? That's a good price.
$2?
How is it?
It's like a dessert. It can really taste that chai
It's
flavor.
a dessert and we are having it for breakfast?
It's like very creamy and
of course it
there's
is.
chunks of ice in it. It's really nice.
Can I have a sip?
Yeah, it's like a dessert. It's pretty good. I would definitely recommend this if you have a sweet tooth like me.
And you also can't have that much sugar in your body.
And where are you? This seems like...
It's a ferry terminal.
And guys, we were not lying to you.